When does it make sense to go on Medicare versus staying on employer? So let's say there are more than 20 employees and you're able to delay Medicare. So it might not always make sense to delay Medicare, and there are a few ways to determine if it makes sense. Number one, if you have a younger spouse covered on your plan, then you should stay on the employer because it would be quite expensive for that younger spouse to go out and get a plan on their own. Number two, if there are expensive medications that are covered by your employer's plan, it's probably best to stay on your employer because they can either not be covered on Medicare or be a lot more than what you're paying with your employer. You can easily check that on Medicare.gov to see what your medications or how much your medications would be on Medicare to see if it makes sense to switch or not. Number three, what do you pay for your employer plan, and compare that to Medicare. So on Medicare, it'd be $185 a month for Part B. That can go up with income. And then you would either do a Medigap plan or a Medicare Advantage plan. The Medigap plan would be $100 or more per month, whereas the Advantage plan would usually be $0 per month.